Hey guys, how are we doing today? Today I wanna go to the Hama Sushi restaurant. This is one of the biggest chain sushi restaurant in Japan. Ahora vamos. So first, you get to your table. To choose how many people at the table. Then get your ticket. They're going to call your number, so just wait for a little bit. So this is look like a Japanese sushi restaurant. Now time to go to get sushi. So just touch a screen, it will start automatically. And you're going to choose what kind of sushi do you want to eat and put order. They have a Japanese and English menu, so don't worry about it. So this is many kind of salmon, tuna, shrimp, and beef, so like this is very easy to order what you want to eat. You don't have to wait for the waitress to come and ask what you want to. And they will be like here on the container in like 4 seconds. Then you take it and put it on the table and eat, enjoy. So like this restaurant looks like a train. That's why like many people call here as a sushi train restaurant. Whenever you come to Japan, you will see many chain sushi train restaurant around everywhere. So you like to try, please go inside and check it out. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.